This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fennel bulb. Fennel is a truly delightful vegetable, offering a unique flavor profile that is subtly sweet and has just a hint of anise. To get started, first trim away the feathery fronds and the very bottom of the core, which can be quite tough. Next, peel off any outer layers that look damaged or discolored, ensuring you have a fresh, clean bulb ready for delicious preparation. Roasting is a fantastic way to transform fennel, bringing out its inherent sweetness and creating a wonderfully tender texture. Start by slicing your cleaned fennel bulb into pieces about 1 inch thick. Then, toss these slices with 2 tablespoons of good olive oil, a pinch of sea salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. Spread them evenly on a baking sheet and roast in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, until golden and soft. For a quicker approach, sautéing fennel works beautifully, making it an excellent choice for a speedy weeknight dinner. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet or frying pan over a consistent medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your thinly sliced fennel pieces, ensuring they are spread in a single layer if possible. Cook them for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the fennel achieves a lovely caramelization and becomes tender crisp. Once cooked, fennel becomes incredibly versatile and can elevate many dishes. Roasted fennel makes a fantastic accompaniment to lean proteins like roasted chicken, baked fish, or even pork loin. Sautéed fennel can be folded into pasta, used in a vibrant salad, or simply enjoyed as a standalone side dish. To finish, consider garnishing your dish with some fresh parsley or the delicate green fronds you reserved earlier, adding both visual charm and a fresh burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.